Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per session of your differential equation, today we are going to discuss about is not Legendre equation and Legendre polynomial. Please, I am spelling is right. I'm giving a spelling. Please write Legendre. Strophius Legender's equation and Legendre polynomials. Legendre is the name of a scientist, mathematician. So, as you know that what is polynomial, you are well known. The polynomial of nth degree as a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 plus a3 x to the power n minus 3 up to dot dot an is equal to 0 where a0, a1, a2, a3, an are constants. So this is general polynomial of nth degree. Here we have to discuss about Legendre's polynomial. And here we have to discuss about Legendre equation. Legendre equation means Legendre's differential equation and Legendre's polynomial. So let us come on the point and see this written article. I am sharing for you. This is Legendre equation and Legendre polynomial. This equation arises in many problems in physics. Legendre equation is such a specific equation that plays very vital role in the solution of so many engineering problems. Problem of physics means problem of engineering, especially in boundary value problems in spheres. So please note this equation. Please note 1 minus x square under bracket into y double dash means second derivative of y minus 2x y dash plus alpha into alpha plus 1 into y is equal to 0. I request everybody, every student of the class that you have to remember this vital equation. 1 minus x square into y to the power into y to the power double dash y double dash, you can say like this, minus 2x y dash plus alpha into alpha plus 1 into y is equal to 0, where alpha is a constant. Now you let us write further. Dividing equation 1, please write dividing equation 1 by 1 minus x square. Dividing equation 1 by 1 minus x square by this term, dividing equation 1 by 1 minus x square on both of the sides. Then what we shall get? We shall find that this term will be cancelled from here, and this will be 2x y dash divided by 1 minus x square. And this will be also divided by 1 minus x square. Then we write this equation as this is y dash y double dash p x p x, that is px minus 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and we shall get after division. This is px and alpha into alpha plus 1 divided by 1 minus x square as qx. So this will take a new form, as equation 1 will take this form. Here px and qx are analytic at the origin, and we have radius of convergence at r is equal to 1. Hence, x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point for 1. Now let us assume a power series like this. Yx is equal to Cn, as you know that when a differential equation is solved, then we find a relation between y and x. This is the function of y and x in this form. So let us take yx is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity Cn x to the power n. Now proceeding as in case of above, we put Cn plus 2, as you know how this result comes. Then putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 in this result Cn plus 2, you can find what C2, then n is equal to 0, then put n is equal to 0 here also, n is equal to 0 here also. Then you can get this result, and this result. And C2m is what? This result, and this result, and this result. In this way, substitute all these values in your yx is equal to this, because after removing sigma from here, you can find a series like this. This result you are getting, this is this you find is y1 and y2 are solution of Legendre equation. Y1 and what you are getting here, this is y1 and this is y2. These are the solution of Legendre equations. I hope students you have understand this. Now I have already discussed polynomial. So let us see, these are the equations that say as Legendre's polynomials like this. A polynomial solution denoted by this of degree n of 4. This is satisfy this is called Legendre polynomial of degree n. I hope you should write this and you should remember this. So student, this digital version 2.0 is powered by Jyoti Vidya University. In case of any doubt or any query, you should write your comment in the chat box, or you should write your comment in the comment box. If you have your query, you should put there. I promise I will resolve from there. Thank you very much for enjoying.